I can click on the picture, label it, hey, this was this, or hey, we saw something here.
Very cool.
Yeah.
My name is Christian Espina, and I'm an unmanned systems operator for Dominion Energy. I was an electrician in New York, and I was looking for something, and when I saw Dominion Energy, I thought, put my skills to use to help keep the lights on rather than just put them up for people.
Just checking the rotors here, making sure they're spinning right.
My father was in IT, so technology has always been a part of our lives, and when I finally got the chance to work with this constantly changing technology, they were really excited for me. We've checked for down lines, preventing having to walk miles to look for an outage, mapping missions for solar fields that help, checking for erosion and environmental causes as well as structural construction progression. A lot of sites are being built and we get to take photos and show the progression to the company, how it's moving along.
Going along.
Before a mission for certain flights, we can plan them on our computers here. It increases our efficiency when we get out in the field to have everything prepped, and we can just hit play and then get the job done. Thanks to the FAA, we received a waiver for beyond visual line of sight. We are in the process of working to have drones on site in remote areas, so if there's an outage or a security breach or anything, we get notified, and from here, our base, we can just log on to that drone, send it out, and control it from here and check everything out, along with routine inspections as well. My favorite part of the job is to see every piece of Dominion that makes everything work. There's a lot of cogs in the machine, whether it be hydro, nuclear, solar, electric transmission. I got to see a lot of these business units that a lot of people kind of don't get to see, and every week's different.